Yeah, it's recording. Look at these guys.
You should give them the goldfish.
Oh my gosh. I'm just a little frightened, but they're very beautiful. Look at this pigeon going. What the fuck? What about me? Yeah, that pigeon ain't ever gonna get anything.
This is awesome.
Is this called birds?
It's like, wait a minute, what about me?
I'm scared. Can you do it with that hand so they're not over my head so much? Ah! Okay.
Oh, they're fighting over it.
Oh, look at this one. Okay, I am done. No more. Go away. Please go away. I'm scared of you. And I don't want to get shit on.
Goldfish.
I like goldfish.
You have a bag.
Okay, I'm not frightened at all. Oh, they got one. Wow. I never would have thought to do this, ever. This is insanity. Okay, I'm really not liking this. I'm not kidding you. Give this little white one before they come back.
He got
She fought. He got it in his mouth. That was really cool.
He got it.
That's really cool.
Oh, he missed it.
They're very beautiful, but I'm frightened.
Oh, the pigeon though.
That pigeon's not going to get one. It almost got one, but it came so close to my foot that I jerked my foot and it ran away. Oh, there's two pigeons?
Yeah.
Okay.
No. He took it right out of my hand.
Wow.
He had to. He wasn't going to get, watch, coming.
Shit, she got this. Oh, they're fighting now. All right, Kay, can we stop?
Sure.
Can you stop?
Okay, go that way. That's it. No more.
All right, that was fun, and it's over. It's over.
Okay.
Bye, guys. See you later. Don't shit on me.
Take the bag and go. That's it. That's all of
They
it.
know better.
They know better?
They don't want it.
Okay. Bye, guys. That's it. Go eat somewhere else.
That's it.
That was fun.
Hey, leader, tell them to go away. Look at this. Just look at these.